What is up, people? Alright, we're gonna do kind of a special treat. I was gonna break it up into 2 videos, but fuck it. We're gonna put it all in one footage. Today's video, we are gonna do integrated tail light, shave off all the shit in the back, Shrek gear front turn signal removal for some nice clear ones, pretty much remove all the amber, and then an OPMID temp gauge install. I was gonna do that one by itself. I'm gonna try and break it up a little bit, but I'm just gonna throw this all into one video and just all big nice shit and caboodle. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna be doing those 3 things on the ground today. Next we'll probably be getting rid of those gold forks. I'm gonna just buy some vinyl and just wrap those bad boys up. More on that later. Pretty much we're gonna jump into this because it all came in one box and I got excited. So yeah, I want to get this guy out. So let's do this, guys. Some clear ones. Let's get rid of that. Pretty much the goal of today is to get rid of the amber on the bike. OPMID temp gauge. There you go. Shout out to these guys. Hell of a lot cleaner. Look at that. Rid of these doo-doo Shrek ears. Looks like a goofy deer, like, huh. So much better. Look at that. All white with the clear, and then the clear tape. Test it. Most likely gonna have to swap out the flasher relay. But let's see. Right there. As you can tell, they stay on. They don't flash. So I'm going to have to do. Shout out to Hardracing for getting it. And yeah, let's pretty much removing that thing first. So what you guys do is remove the negative terminal of the battery first. Of course, you don't want to fuck around with that shit. And then there'll be 2 bolts here, a bolt there and a bolt there. You remove that, and then the clip for the turn signals, and then this whole big piece should pop off. So let's do that first, and then we'll knock out the tail light. Isn't exactly plug and play. One turn signal, one, and I think this is the spare power wire that I was saying that you could use for license plate light and all that, which I think that's what I did in my last one. We'll see. We pretty much need this guy because, as you can tell, it's right in there. All the connections we need, so pretty much it's plug and play. So all I have to do is disconnect this harness, I think, right here from this, or remove this whole thing from here. So let me remove this guy. Alright, so taillight is installed, mounted. I am testing the turn signal harness now that I have it removed. Don't mind this. This is pretty much the bulb for the license plate. I'm gonna cut this and put an LED one in there, make it look all clean. Let's install this and see what happens. I can find my screwdriver. Alright, here we go. So there's the brake, tail light, brake light, left turn signal, hopefully. Oh, got it backwards. Let's swap those really quick. Alright. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Alright, so after feeling like I'm breaking it, I think I got enough. Oh my gosh, dude, what a difficult process. It's off. Holy cow. buttons just ran right up top here, just for now. Here is the whole harness connected, the button, the sensor. It'll fucking focus. Here's my ground. I ran it off the relay, as you can tell. Relay's still nice and secure. Here's where I mounted my ground, right here, just off the tree. And pretty much ran right up in here, connected it over here, set it up in here. I'm gonna zip tie it as soon as I go out to my garage and get some zip ties. Ran it through here, and then it's kind of just sitting right here, right on the center. My old one, I had it right here, but I think I'm gonna rock it for here for now, and then if it messes up, I'll just probably move it to one of these sides. But let me just peel this guy off. Boom, yeah, haha. Alright, now I just gotta read up how to put it to Fahrenheit, because I'm assuming it's Japanese, it's gonna come in Celsius. Alright. So let's check it out. Hopefully it works. Ooh. It's a button. Signals work. Everything's working. Let me button this all back together, and then I'll get some better footage of this. Here's the wiring for the taillight until I get my license plate LED light. That's pretty much just crimped off for now and tucked. I'm gonna get a zip tie, but this is pretty much the wiring. Very clean. Once I get my underbody tail for the license plate, we're good to go. I'm probably gonna peel these guys off in a second too. And it's all together pretty much.